Hello everyone, welcome to Mike Muse's Megazords. Today's video is issue 79 of the Altaya Megazord build, and from a quick look at the parts it looks like we're going to be doing the other side of the Triceratops. So let's get rid of the packaging, do our parts check. 79.1, which will be the right hand side structural part for Triceratops body. 79.2 will be the internal tread structure, as well as 79.3. Let's get them the right way around. 79.4 is going to be our wheels. 79.5 T-shaped structural piece. 79.6 the treads themselves. 79.7 this side decorative panel. 79.8 a couple of cover caps on a sprue, and then the hardware 79.9. Let's open this up and just double check we've got it all. So we've got three of one, 2 of another, and 5 there. So 2 by 5mm, 2 by 5mm, and 4 plus 1, 2.3 by 6mm. So the parts are all there over the page, and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, let's just move all of these over a little bit so I've got room to work. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the die-cast piece we had from the last issue, 78.1, bring that in, and that's going to go on the front of the structural piece here, and this will connect with 79.10. Let's just double check that was a silver one. Yep. So what we'll do is this will line up through this connection post here into, where's it going? There, this hole here. So drop a screw in there. That's the wrong one. There we go. And then the second part of this assembly will be to take the 2 cover caps 79.8, which are these 2 here, cut them off the sprue, and then pop them into place here and here. So grab our cutters. We have the obligatory warning, sharp objects. And I'll just trim these up with my trusty blade. There. So both of these are the same. There's no real reason, no difference between the two. So your connection post here goes into the connection port here, and these will just push into place, he says. Let's try that again, because that wasn't seated properly. That's why they weren't snapping into place straight away. There we go. So now, is that in? That's in. All right, let's try that again. There we go, straight in there. 1, and let's get it the right way around. 2. Section A done. On to section B. So we're going to take the decorative side panel here, 79.7, attach it to the main body, and we're going to be using 2 of the 79.9s, which were the 2 by 5mm screws. So we'll put this into place here, flip it over, and the screws are going to be going into this one and this one here. So let's do this one first. grab our second one. And there we go. Section B done. On to section C. 7911, which is going to be, so we've used those two, so we don't put them to one side. So we've got the two structural pieces in the treads will all come together. So we'll need 79.3 with the posts facing up, 79.2 with your clip section here pointing away from you. Drop that into place. And then 79.6, the treads. We'll go. I'm not. Should that be that way? Yes, that should be that way. Right then, so let's explain that quickly. So because of the way that these two posts sit protruding up through the holes, you'll need to have this so your post protrusions on the tread section are pointing down, so they will lock into place through the connector here, sorry, the structural piece here. You can see there, it sits in there quite nicely, and then what we'll do it the other way around, is drop this into place at the top there. So you've got nice clean edge all the way around. Flip it over, and we'll be putting two of these screws into these two sections here and here. There's one. Make sure it's all properly seated, and then we'll do number two. There we go. So that's that section done. Section C. On to section D. So this is where we're going to be putting the small and the large wheels on. So once again, let's take these off the sprue very carefully with some cutters. Again, just a quick clean up with a knife. Last one. All done. So as we did before in the previous issue, when we put the other side together, you're going to need the large wheels on the outside, 1 and 1, and the two small wheels on the inside. And these just push fit into place. So let's line these up so we know where we're going, and then we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Section D complete. On to section E. So we'll flip this assembly over, and then this will be going also flipped over onto your section here. Section E complete. And then this is the structural part, which will allow this to move up and down and keep the treads in place. And this will be your last two of these screws here. So we'll drop that into place. Grab a screwdriver. First one done, on to the second. Section F done. And there's our tread movement. And that is us done with issue 79. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give a like and a subscribe if you're just joining us on this journey. Any questions or comments on the build, please drop them in the box below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And then we'll see you next time for issue 80 of the Altaya Megazord build. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.